Okay, the first thing we're asked to do here is find the gradient of a line. And you should know that if you have a straight line, if you draw a right-angled triangle underneath that straight line, then you can find the gradient of that line. So for example, if that's 3 and that's 5, then the gradient is going to be 3, the vertical, divided by the horizontal. So let's have a look at this one. We know that L passes through the points 0, 2 and 2, 3. I'm going to draw my right-angled triangle here, so I can see that that's 1 unit, that's 2 units. The gradient of L then is going to be 1 divided by 2, in other words, a half. The gradient of the line is a half. So now I've got to find the equation of L, and I know that the general equation of a straight line is y equals mx plus c, where m is the gradient and c is the intercept, or the y-intercept, in other words, where the line hits the y-axis. So in this case, I know already that the gradient is a half, so y is equal to half x plus, and now if I look back at the diagram, where the graph cuts the y-axis is there at 2, so the intercept is 2, so the equation of the line is y equals half x plus 2. The question then asks us to write down the equation of a line which is parallel to L. Now, lines which are parallel have the same gradient. So what we're looking for is the equation of another line which has the same gradient, in other words, a half, and that could be y equals half x plus any number you like. Now, if it's parallel, the only number that you can't use is the same one as before. So I'm going to write something like y equals a half x plus 10. Anything, doesn't matter what you write here, you will have a line because it's got the same gradient, you will have a line which is parallel